I want to share with you the importance of playing to us. This is our VIP ticket for today, and for the past 9 months that we started this channel and Facebook page, we've been recording nothing less than 24 winnings per month on average. And the worst month we had was in October, when we had 22 winnings in a month on the 2us premium package. So for those people that join our premium VIP playing only 2us, they've recorded over 900% profit in the past months. And we also have a strategy to manage your portfolio, and we have a software called Masalieno money management tools to help you manage your portfolio for those people that don't know how to manage their money. So I'm gonna share the video on how to use the software tomorrow for those people that want to play to us on daily basis, so that they will be profitable at the end of the day. I'm not saying it doesn't we don't record losses, but when you follow the principles and also use the software, you'll be able to manage your money. At the end of the day, you arrive at a maximum profit. So this is today's winning ticket, and we've been recording good results for the past weeks. So we guarantee nothing less than 22 winnings per month on average, to 26 winnings per month on our 2us premium package. So if you want to join us and win daily like this, kindly hit the like button, and also check my WhatsApp link in the comment section and chat me up. Note that the subscription fee for this is very affordable for everyone. It's 20,000 naira for Nigerians, 630 cedis for Ghanaians, then 8,000 Kenyan shillings, then $50 for other countries. So if you want to join, my WhatsApp link is in the comment section. By tomorrow morning, I will share the video or the tutorial videos on how to use the Masalieno money management tools on this page. I've already posted that video on YouTube, so I will post it on Facebook page tomorrow morning. Okay guys, that is all I have to share with you for now. So if you want to join us, hit the like button, and also check the my WhatsApp link in the comment section and chat me up. I'll also share with you, when you subscribe, I'll also share with you the link and how to use the tools to manage your portfolio and arrive at profit when you subscribe to our 2us premium package. Okay, thank you so much for staying tuned. I will see you guys on our WhatsApp section. Thank you so much.